I'm going to just spend 10 minutes talking about Referron, and for people to, if those who haven't downloaded it, download the app Referron, and I'll take you through examples of how it works. A lot of you have said, listen, it's a bit confusing. It's if you show us how to do this, we can maybe use it. So
amazing. Last thing, just remind everyone to save the chat, because there's lots of gold in the chat and people's contact details.
Of course I will. So if by saving the chat, you got bye JR, be good.
Thank you.
Okay,
bye.
By saving the chat, just press the 3 dots on the right hand side, and you can say of the chat, and you can save the chat, and there'll be amazing nuggets. Okay,
Ivan, I've made you host. I'm out of here.
Thank you. Bye, JR.
Bye.
Okay, so we've got on the we've got 18 of us
where do we download it, Ivan? Is it from App Store?
You can get from App Store or Google Play. You go and type in Referron. It's Referron. So Referron, I'm going to log out of Referron, and I'm going to start as if
that's what I've got.
Haven't existed. So the first thing that I do is I go to my App Store. So you go to App Store or Google Play. And I want you all to do it anyway, because there's... Sorry, say it again.
I've just referred myself to you.
Perfect. Beautiful. So it's beautiful.
If I can use it, anybody can.
If you can do it anyway. So that's it. So you go to the search and you type in Referron. And you open it up, and you do that anyway, even if you've got it. So log out of your thing, do it, because there's updates. So it goes really, really fast now.
So Ivan, does that mean you have to go to App Store every time to access it? Because
no, it's on. Once it's on, it's on. Once it's on, it's absolutely on. It's on your phone. And what I do, I'll share with you what I do. So once I've downloaded it, which I have now, I then put it on the bottom right left-hand side next to my messages, because that's all I do. Is my whole business is based on referring and connecting and sending my business card. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Referron, and I'm going to sign in. So if you haven't signed in already, you just go to sign in. Don't have an account, sign in, sign up. Don't use the FG or Apple, sign up. So you sign up, you don't have an account, you sign up, and you put your details in. Fill in your details, because what you're doing is you're creating a business card. Hang on one sec. So you're creating a business card for you. I'm going to sign into my Referron. So I put my details in. Oh, hang on, I've spelled it wrong. Or password incorrect. What's my password?
Ivan, did you sign out and sign in again? Because I've been able to get into it through App Store, but I don't see the icon on my phone anywhere. So I don't want to sign out in case I can't sign in again.
You can sign out and sign in again. It's fine.
Okay.
It takes you back to the sign-in page.
It does.
Okay.
So now I've signed in, and I get to my home screen that looks like this.
Right.
Now, Referron is very, very simple. It does 2 main things. It sends your business card to someone else, and it enables you to refer someone in your network to another person in your network within 3 taps. And this is how I do it. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to send my business card to Lawrence Adelman. So I'm going to press the 3, the hamburger on the top left-hand side. I press that button, and it says send business card. Can you see that?
Yeah.
You press send business card. Now, I can either ask Lawrence what his phone number is, or I can press the blue button because I know he's in my phone book already. So I put him in the phone book. I say, yes, proceed. I want to access my phone book. And then I type in Edelman. That's his details. Here he's in my phone book already. And I'm then going to say as a message, hi, be sure to download Referron and connect with me. So once you do that and you connect, Lawrence will immediately get a message with my business card on his phone. Lawrence, have you got that?
Yeah.
Show it to me on the screen. Point it there. I can't see it. Yeah, that's it. And did you get a message from me?
Great being part of our big, and that's the one I'm sending you.
Go to the go to your SMS.
Oh, right. Hang on, go to my SMS.
Yes, because I've sent you my business card.
SMS, Ivan Kaye, got it.
Show everybody. I could go put it closer to the phone. Closer. I can't see it. Up. Yeah, closer. I can't see. Sorry, I can't see it. But he'll get an SMS, and when he clicks that link, he'll get to my business card. Now, I want to. Have you got it, Lawrence?
Yeah, that's
okay.
That's his business card.
Exactly. So now, if Lawrence wants to refer someone to someone else, he doesn't even need Referron. On my business card, there's a make a referral. Just press that button, Lawrence.
Make a referral, yes.
Let me just see whether I've got it on my.
Let me get that.
Here we are. So if you have a look at mine, Paul Pius has just referred Ivan Kaye. Leah has just referred Leah. So now I want to actually see, those are the details. Lawrence would have received this, Ivan Kaye's V card. Can you see Ivan Kaye's V card? When I press that button, this is what I get. Come on, baby, talk to me. This is my business card. It's Ivan Kaye. This is who I am. It's got my profile because I've written my profile. I'll show you how to do that. It's got all my LinkedIn number, my email, my message, and whatever. Now, if I want to actually go to Ivan's LinkedIn, I just press that button. I'm in Ivan's LinkedIn. If I want to actually save Ivan's business card, I press Save Business Card, and it goes straight to my phone. I lift it and I create a new contact or add to an existing contact on my phone. If I want to make a referral and I've never had referral, I just press Make Referral, and it actually goes straight to my messages, and I can make a referral to Ivan. So I'm just going to send that to Leah, and Leah's got my email. So that's how easy it is to make a referral. So I'm going back to the home page. So this is the home page that you'll always see. So sending a business card, you press the three, have the hamburger on the top left-hand side, you send business card, you can either input the information, you save the card to the address book, or you actually press the blue button and you go to your phone book and you can send your business card to someone else.
I'm not sure why I wouldn't just do that from my phone.
I'll tell you why. Great question. Leah, the reason why you're doing that is you're going to now have an activity summary of all the people that you've connected. So when you've actually now gone to a trade show and you've done that, I've met with Lawrence, I can now press that and I can make a note on what Lawrence is about. I can say, met Lawrence and shown him how to use Referron, or a follow-up or whatever it might be, and I save the note. So now I've got a note of everyone that I've spoken to in that forum. So when I've sent a business card to someone, do you understand? So right now I want to send a business card to Adrian. Go to Adrian McLean. There's Adrian. Adrian's now got my business card. I've already got her details, but she's got a business card on the phone. Now, in my activity summary,
Yeah, it's
I can
arrived
Where does she get that? Where do you get that, Adrian?
in the text SMS.
With a link to Referron?
no, with a
Yeah.
link, with a link to Referron and a link to my business card. So Adrian will have, so I'll send one to you now, Leah.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go to Leah. So this is how long it's taken me to actually send you my business card. You now have my business card on your phone. How long has that taken me to do?
Yeah.
And we upload it to our phones.
Sorry?
We upload the information to our phones.
It's automatically uploaded. You can actually press a button and it uploads to your phone. So it adds to your phone book.
Okay.
So it does it for you. Jane, you can talk. Jane?
Yeah, Ivan. So I'm just trying to put Referron on my new phone,
Yeah.
and it's not recognizing my.
I'll add. I'll talk about that offline.
Ivan, who's the seeker? The select.
Okay, so it's one person to send to another person. So in my thing is, let's say Ivan Schwartz. I'll give you an example. I know I'm speaking to Ivan. I'm saying, Ivan, you need a great mortgage broker.
Yeah.
And his name is Lawrence Adelman.
Yeah.
So I press select seeker. So the seeker is Ivan.
Right.
I can either do that from my phone book. So I can go to Ivan Schwartz.
Yeah.
There he is. Here's his details. So Ivan's now got that. And I'm going to refer him, because you're in my connections, Lawrence. I'm going to type in Adelman, because I've got all my contacts in my, because I know someone and trust someone. Here's Lawrence, and he's an MD, and I'm going to say mortgage broker extraordinaire. And I'm going to send that referral message. Now, how long did that take me?
Seconds, minutes, seconds.
Now, what's actually happened?
And now I've got it. It's come up short.
Not only that, you're also
message.
going to get an email. Come on, baby. This is the email that you're going to get. Not doggone nail. Here it is. Referral from Ivan Schwartz to Lawrence Adelman. Hi there, Lawrence. I'm referring Ivan Schwartz from Be Rewarded over to you. I've included all his details. MB Extraordinary. Regards, Ivan Kaye. Here's Ivan's details, which he put in his profile. And here's Lawrence's details that he put in his details. Now, the nice thing about it, I'll say, who is this Ivan Schwartz? I press that button, and here's Ivan Schwartz. Here's his details. I want to save Ivan's details to my phone. I press that button, save vCard. That's on my phone. Save to contact. I've got his details already, and I do it. I want to, let's assume I've been referred to Ivan and I haven't got Referron, but I want to make him a referral. Boom, make a referral. Boom, and I can refer him to Wayne Brightman.
So you don't have to have referring to receive this, because it comes to SMS and email.
Exactly.
Right. Okay.
Exactly. The only thing that you need Referron to do is to make a business card, to send your business card to someone else, and to make a referral from someone to someone else.
Right.
If someone's going to refer you on Referron, you're going to do it. They're going to get it by SMS or by
email.
And that's it. That's what this app does. It enables you to send a business card, and make a referral. Now, the beauty about it is I want to actually see my activity. The first thing I want to say, activity summary. And I've referred Ivan to Lawrence Adelman. So this gives you a list of everybody I've referred. So I can press that. I can call SMS, make a note, or refer Ivan to someone else from the activity summary. So I want to refer Jane to Ivan Schwartz. I press Ivan Schwartz, and I want to refer to Jane Belmadre. and I'm going to say loyalty, and BBG, and I can write a big note on bloody blah, and I can like what the meeting is about, and send a referral. Jane will get a SMS and an email. I'll get an SMS and an email, and Ivan Schwartz will get an SMS and an email. And this is what the email will say.
Right.
Here we are. Ivan to Jane. Hi there, Jane. And it's white labeled. So when you update your details, it's got, you don't see Referron anywhere. All it is a tool to enable you to refer someone to someone else. And here's all the relevant details. So who's Jane? Jane is a strategist, blah. I see this email, I press this button, and here's Jane.
And if I may, what I'd like to understand, please, is how to do Referron on desktop.
Sorry, how do you do Referron?
Use Referron on desktop.
I will show you that in a few minutes. I will still do that. Okay. So, but ideally, it's not. Ideally, I want you to use the phone as opposed to the desktop. It's a mobile app, and it just makes things easy wherever you go. Everybody's got their phone in front of them at all stages. So it just needs to be a part of your appendage and a thought process, so that when you are speaking to someone, you're actually thinking in their head, who can I refer you to? And you make that in a heartbeat. So I want to refer Mark Solberger right now. So he's not in my, Mark's not in my detail, in my phone right now. I don't have his details, but what I can do is I know that I can introduce him to Peter Damjanovic from EMDG. He's not in this room, but so Mark, can I send you my business card, Mark? I can't hear you. You're on mute.
Yeah, sure.
Sure. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to press the hamburger and I'm going to send Mark my business card. Mark, are you in the States or in Australia?
Yeah, I'm in the US.
Okay, so you got a US number?
469.
Hang on 1 second. I'm just going to put USA.
Actually, I sent you my business card, so you should have me in your system.
That's okay, but let me just, I'm just giving you the example.
Yeah, that's fine.
So what's your mobile number?
469.
Yep.
836.
836.
3944.
3944. I've met you at this event, which your name's Mark, and it's Solberger, S.
SOLL.
Yes.
BERGER.
And what's your email, Mark?
Mark, MARC.
Yep.
At Patterns of Endeavor. PATT. ERNSOFENDEAVOR.
Is that right?
Yep, .com.
And .com.
Yep.
And I'm going to add you to my address book. Happy to connect with me. Connect. So you are now connected with me. Is that correct? Now I want to refer Mark. Who wants to be, put up your hand, who wants to be connected to Mark? Leah. I'm going to connect Mark to Leah. So I'm going to add to my activity summary. Here it is. Here's Mark, set as seeker. And I'm going to refer Mark to Leah. She's in my connections already. And I'm going to Leah. If she wasn't, I'd just go into my phone book. Here's Leah. And I'm going to say, why do you want, Leah, why do you want to meet with Mark?
Oh, I'm curious about what he does. That's an amazing
Leah is curious about what you do.
Yeah, and strategies for the US
Hence for USA. Okay, send referral message. You have now got a referral from Leah to Mark. Here it is. Let's just go back into it.
Yep.
Oh, I've got 3 text messages.
You got text message, one because you connected, the other because this is what it is. Referral from Mark to Thing. Hi there, Leah. I'm referring Mark over to you. Leah's curious about blah, blah, blah. Here's the hints. here's Mark's details, and here's Leah's details. Now, if Mark has already put his profile in, which I'll show him how to do, here's Mark, and here's his picture, and here's all his details. He hasn't got his picture in yet. However, that's what I'm going to teach to you now. So that's how easy it is to make a referral and send a business card. Ivan Schwartz, why are you laughing? Ivy baby.
Why? Because Ivan's teaching tech. I love it. That's why I joined BBG, was Ivan's tech teaching. That was so awesome.
Okay. So so now what I want to do is, so that's what it is, sending a business card. But I want to actually make sure that I've got my relevant details in the forum. So I press the 3 hamburgers again, and I press where Ivan Kaye is, and I press that button, and I can now update my details. I can change my picture from my camera or my gallery. I like my picture, but if I want to change it, I just go to my gallery, select photos, and I can put any other photo in, but I'm not going to.
What am I doing?
So if I want to, if I'm in my you press the 3, go again, press the hamburger, press the profile, which is above refer.
Oh, right.
And there's a picture. And you put your name, your address, your country code. You're creating a business card, which industry you're in, your job titles, your website, your LinkedIn email. Sorry. Your LinkedIn profile and your story. Your most important thing is your story, because this information, whenever you make a referral, your story is going to be underneath your business card. So you can see Ivan Kaye is a chartered accountant interested in helping stuff. If I press this and I go to my business card, you can actually see all the details that I've got in a business card and my my details in that business card. Now, so not only that, when I've actually Leah, you've put your details already, or I think I did it, or you've done it. You've now said, here's Leah Zellmans. I consult CEOs and executives, blah, 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 blah. I press Leah's thing, and what has she got? Leah's got her, look at that picture, Leah.
Good.
Beautiful. I've just taken that now. Okay. And that's what you do. And effectively, I can now refer you to PJ. Done. I've just referred you to PJ. That's how easy it is. So once you've got that, it's so easy. So fill out your details in the profile and make sure you receive referrals, and then save your profile. Does that make sense? Are you there? Is that you there?
Yeah, much clearer now. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Ivan.
Now the next thing is, what you can do is you press the hamburger. You want to see who you've actually referred. You press your activity summary, and here's all the details who you've met today. So I've met Mark. I can actually make a note, and I'm going to say I'm going to refer Mark. Oh, I need to do that. I haven't done that. I'm going to now refer Mark. Activity summary. It just reminds me. I'm going to refer Mark Setasika to Peter Damjanovic. He's in my connections or my phone, because I only really want to refer people who I know, like and trust, and they're already in my phone or my thing. Here's Peter, and Mark is starting to export to USA and needs a grant. So Peter specializes in grants, and I've sent him a referral message. Each of you are going to get that message. Now, the beauty about it is that's all tracked into a CRM, which I've created, and I'll share that with you now. Is there any questions that, now the next thing that I want to do is I want to know the activity that I've done during the week, or I want to actually, so let's say, for example, my boss is Mick, and I want to share with him the activity that I've done with him the week. There's an activity report. I press activity report. This is for the week. I can select day to day, send report. I'm now going to get an email, hopefully, on all the activities that I've actually met. So here we are. So these are the people who have been referred to you. So I've had these referrals this week. And these are the people who I've referred to during the week. These are the people who referred me. Bull, da da da. And these are the people who I've invited to Referron. And here's my
If I
B-card
may,
summary.
Ivan,
So it's
if
got
I,
all the relevant details, all the notes that I've made, and it's been emailed, and I've got that as a record. It's free.
There we go.
And the nice, it's all done. Now, the cool thing is what we've also developed on Referron is in a bigger business. This is my CRM. So this, when you download it, this is your CRM. So my CRM is this here. Your CRM is when you download it. Now, if I say, let's say I've got Microsoft Dynamics or Act or HubSpot or any other CRM, and I want to actually put that note of Mark Solberger into my CRM, I press that button. There'll be a link in here saying send to Microsoft Dynamics. I've connected it through an API that goes directly to my CRM, and that note will be API'd into my CRM. So I don't have to re-input that into my CRM. And that's all done. And so not only can I see the activity on my activity summary, I can also send, and this is all on my phone. I haven't actually used my computer yet. Is there any other? So that's what Referron does. So from the hamburger, I can refer, that goes to my main screen. I can select a seeker. I can either refer from the phone book or refer a new contact or a few connections. If I refer to the new contact, I can press the blue button to go to my phone book if I want to, or if I want to refer from the phone book, it just goes automatically to my phone book. I can refer anyone to anybody. If I want to actually refer from my activity summary, because I've just messaged people, I press activity summary. And
Ivan, I've got to go. Thank you.
No problem.
Thanks, Ivan.
Now, the next thing that I want to show you is the actual email. I want to show you I'm going to stop share and I'm going to show you the desktop. And now I'm going to log in. So I type in referron.com. Because I'm a member and I've signed up on my phone, I type login. I put in my email and my password. So this gives me all a dashboard of all the referrals that I've made and the connections. Now I actually want to see the referral activity that's happened. These are the referrals that I've sent. So I press send by me. And here's a list of all the referrals that have been sent by me. Hang on one second. So this is Mark and these are all the referrals that I've sent. And I can go into the thing to see what the ARC is starting to export to the USA. So I've now got a record in my CRM over here on all the activity that I've had. Now, the nice thing about it is I know that I've referred Ivan Schwartz a lot of people. So I'll say, who have I referred Ivan Schwartz to over the last year or 2 years? And here's a list of all the this is who I've referred to Ivan Schwartz over the years. So Ivan will say, well, who have you referred me to? I've referred him to over 50 people. So I'll say, Ivan, yeah, I referred you to Harley Medcalf. What did you actually do with Harley Medcalf? How would I have remembered that I referred in August 2021 Harley Medcalf to Ivan Schwartz? Now, if I had a deal with Ivan Schwartz where I get 10% commission on everything that I've done, there's no argument. On the 7th of August, 2021, I referred Ivan Schwartz to Harley Medcalf. I can then go to Ivan Schwartz's MYOB, and if he's generated revenue from Harley Medcalf, he needs to pay me a commission because I've got so this is like for commissioned salesmen or whatever. It's a great tool for that, is what I'm saying.
Well, I think it's just a great tool for a follow-up anyway.
Unbelievable. But the nice thing about it as well, another thing is these are the referrals that have been sent to me. So I need to make sure that I follow up those people. Leah Zellums referred me a person. Yeah, Leah.
I referred myself.
Exactly. Now, this is what I can now do. This is the beauty about it. I'm in discussion. The value of that is $2,000, and the comment that I'm going to say, I'm going to close her.
Who's selling who here, Ivan?
Okay, so no, you referred someone to me. Now, the beauty about it is that when Leah goes into her sent to me, she's now got where I am in the process. So Louis Antonini phoned me. Louis created an IT company. Arthur said, so I actually so I can now say, yep, I'm in discussion. The comments called Antonini and blah, 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 blah. Now, when I do that, Arthur now knows that I followed that up. Now, he has a record of all the people who've referred me, and I haven't followed these people up. I really have, but I haven't updated this. But I can use this as a tool to make sure that all my activity is updated. Now, 90% of the people won't use this at all, but it's available. If, for example, I want to use what Jane said, how do I use this to actually make a referral from someone to someone else? It's building and this gives you the reports, build your network, make a referral, send referrals. It'll only make referrals if they're in your system already. I'm going to refer Mark Solberger. There you go. Double click that. How do I do it? I don't even know how to do it. So service seeker, load, copy to service seeker. Yep. And I want to refer to Ivan Schwartz. Here we go, Schwartzy. Copy to service provider, and I want to actually write my message, one word, awesome, send it. I can choose to send it to the referee or the sender, send referrals. That referral's done. What this can also do, I think.
Hang on a second, Ivan. So who is the sender and who's the
the person you're referring to?
Yes.
Is the person who is the business.
Yes,
that's not the two words you just used. If you're sending me to a dentist,
you just used, please, the 2 words you just used right on the bottom right-hand corner.
The referee
Yes.
is. I don't know. I think I've made that needs to change. The service seeker
needs to be,
that needs to change. So the service seeker is the
yes, who you're referring to, and
the referee
service provider is the business.
The send. That shouldn't be sender, that should actually be provider. So
Okay.
Send to seeker and send to provider.
Got it. Ivan, next question, please. How do I upload? So, for example, today I'm going to call some people from the forum this morning. How do I upload?
From your phone book.
Stop, let me ask the question, please. How do I upload database from Humanitex?
You can't. It doesn't work that well. So right now it's about, they need to be, this Referron is about, you have met that person, you've connected with that person, you've spoken to that person, and you're referring that to someone else.
So, Ivan,
it's referring people who you know, like, and trust.
So, Ivan, I've met people in this morning's event with Dale. There's identified about 12 that I want to call.
Okay, put them in your phone book, one-on-one.
So, my question, please, and actually a request for your developers, is how do I bulk upload rather than...
There's no bulk uploading right now, I'm telling you. That's the answer. There's no bulk. There is, but it doesn't work well. This is not about bulk uploading. This is about, this Referron app is about dealing with people that you know, like, and trust, and who you meet. Ideally, I wouldn't want people in my system that I don't want to refer to someone else.
I understand.
The relevant person that I want
understand
in
what
this
you're
group is
saying.
if I've already called them, I
Yes.
will put them in my phone book. I will have them in my phone book. I will have put my details in them, and you can actually upload directly into your phone book into Referron.
Okay, Ivan, thank you.
Okay. And so you can do this. You can refer directly from the system. You can. The answer is, Jane, you can import contacts, but it's not what I want to do. I'm going to disable that. I don't want Referron to be a mass database. I want Referron to be a very exclusive community for you. That the people in Referron are the people that you've connected with, that you've spoken to, that you've taken the time to phone, and that you've taken the time to make notes on. Is the answer.
Ivan, can I just ask a question about the platform that you're on? Are you on a PC or a Mac?
I'm on a Mac, but both PC and Mac work the same.
Oh, okay. All right. In my Mac app store, it says it's designed for iPhone, and there's no availability for websites.
And you don't do it from your iPhone. You actually go to referron.com.
Yeah.
If you go to referron.com.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's direct.
It's not from the app. So
It's
you
not
go to
from the app.
Referron. No, this is from the back end. It's got nothing to do with the app.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank
So
you.
this is from referron.com.
Okay.
And you go into the login and you put your
Right.
login.
Okay, I'm with you.
Now, the other thing that it does, which we can implement, it's got a reward system. So you can actually create a reward every time someone refers. So I can create my own reward, and I can say, if you make a referral, I'll give you a kiss or buy you a coffee or give you a coffee on me. I can actually say a gold class ticket to a movie, class ticket to a BBG forum.
Okay.
Update rewards.
Got it.
So you can create a reward, and every time a referral is made, I can now see who these are the rewards that I issued when people have sent me referrals, and I can then redeem them, and I can say these are the referrals that you've done. So yeah, Paul referred me a client, so he's now got Paul has now got a what is the whatever that thing is. I can't. It's not really function. Oh, yeah, we are. You can't wait. It's not really working. Oh gosh. Yeah, the Referron, but it works. But the it's developed, but it's been disabled. All I really am after right now on Referron is for you guys to use the phone, make referrals, and utilize, once you log in, 1 second, utilize the referral activities for the referrals that have been sent to you, for ideally to follow up. This is like more of a business session. So if I've got 20 BDMs and I'm making referrals, I want to make sure that they have followed this up and identified whether the sale is closed or not. So, but ideally you want your information to go into your CRM, because your CRM is your Microsoft Dynamics or your MYOB or whatever. You don't really want to. I don't want to compete with them. They are a lot better than Referron will ever be. So right now, all Referron does really, really well is send business cards, refer someone to someone else, make notes on what they do, and that's what it does. I'll just exit that stop share for a second. I'll go back to my phone for a second.
No, this is good. I like it. I really like it.
This is the next. It's not too dissimilar what you're talking about, but the nice thing about this is when if you're in a room at a trade show and it's a dot, you press connect on the go.
Yep.
And everybody around you who's on Referron, their details will come up, and you just connect with them.
Yep.
So if we're in a room of 20 people,
Brilliant.
that's a story.
It's so brilliant. Yes.
And the other thing that it will do is, which we can do, is instead of the dot, you actually have at the back of your phone, which we can do very easily, QR code.
Mm-hmm.
So when you press the QR code, all it is, effectively, all your business card is a link. So you can create a business card as we speak onto that link. So if, for example, you have a look at this, if you type in on your mobile, https://membersreferron.com.au, that's my business card. So when I actually send an email to people, so if you have a look at, I'm going to send an email just to Simon. I'll just say exciting. Not exiting, oi. All I have at the bottom of my phone is here's my business card. Now, if I want to create a QR code on the back of my phone, I can create a QR code in a second with 1,000 different opportunities. So if I say create a QR code from a link, you can do that in a heartbeat. And you can put that on your phone, and instead of connecting, they just take a photograph of it and build trackable, create a QR code on your phone, check in system, swiped on. There's a million ways you can do a free QR code on your phone. So
That's great. Ivan, can I just check in, please? I'm just looking at the time and I need to skedaddle.
All
Recording
good.
from this, please. I really want the recording because I can see I'm going to need that. Could you email out the recording?
Of course I can. I'll put the QR. So the other thing that I want you to do, if possible, is go to your YouTube chat. Go to the YouTube channel of BBG. Just go to YouTube and hashtag BBG Forum, and subscribe to that channel. And all the email, all the playlists are on that forum. So, for example, the last playlist that we had on the Sydney Forum, here we go. We had.
My name is Ivan Kaye, and I'm the founder of BSI.
Hang on,
BBG.
Stop, please.
BSI is about helping you.
Oh no! What's going on? Please, no, I can't cope. Let's just go to YouTube again. Go to the library. Go to. These are the various forums that we've had. So everybody's forums that I've been involved in, I've taken snippets. So the last one we had was with Rana. Do you remember that one? These are each one are like little snippets on what we have. So from this video, we'll do the same. So effectively what we're doing is we're creating your center of influence. So step number one is what I want you to do is when you type in hashtag BBG Forum, all I want you to do is subscribe to the channel. And I'll do it now. Hang on. YouTube. I'll just this is the channel. I'll just put the link in. Make sure you subscribe it and you'll get all the videos that you like onto this chat. Hang on. To everyone. Control V. So if you can go to that YouTube link and all you do is subscribe to that channel, and just have a look. There's literally thousands of little videos and snippets and beautiful things that we do, and use it to post. This is your content. You've got such rich content here on so many different sources, literally thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars that are related to you. So the objective of BBG and Referron is, how do I make you a center of influence? How do I make you famous? And if we've done that, we've done our job. And that's it. Mark, I would love you to be a member of this forum. In fact, all of you who aren't members, I'd love you to be members of this forum. I think everybody else is. Okay, that's any other questions?
That's good. Thank you. Send me some details, Ivan. I'm happy to catch up. I've got to go now, but if you're happy to send me some details, I've connected with you on LinkedIn if you want to follow up through there.
Sorry?
I think I've tried to connect with you on LinkedIn. So
excellent. So guys, thank you very much. We'll speak soon.
Thank
no worries.
you.
Thanks, Ivan.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, everyone.
See you, everyone.
Bye.
Ciao.